And now guys, on your brain slip update, fans mock DJ Tira's son after releasing his latest track. And now, for more on this story, just stay tuned to this video. Well guys, it turns out DJ Tira's son, Tank the Rockstar, released a track with some other guy called Tyson. And well, to be honest with you guys, the reviews aren't really that good. A lot of people actually mocking him and saying that DJ Tira must be very embarrassed as a father. Well, obviously I can't play the full song because that would be copyright violation, but what I can do is leave the link in the description below. But before I do that, I want you guys to tell me what you think about it. But well, for me personally, I kind of feel like this might be a joke, as in maybe he's trying to find a way to promote himself by dropping this sort of song, knowing fully well that people will talk about it, and in that way he gets promo. I don't know, do you guys feel like he just really wanted to drop that song, as in he fully intentionally wanted to drop a song like that? I don't know, some other people do enjoy it. I personally find it a bit mediocre. Either way, you guys tell me what you think about it. Is the song really that bad, or are people just throwing dirt in this guy's name for no reason? Comment down in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about it, and I will respond to your comments with my own thoughts as well. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up because it actually does help this channel, and please do not forget to subscribe for more updates on your favorite celebrities.